welcome back to my channel. This is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today's episode is about Shimmer Brick shade number 4 from the brand name Sivanna, and I'm also going to show you my freebies which I have got as a complimentary gift with this beautiful Shimmer Brick palette. They have 5 shades in this Shimmer Brick range. I have already reviewed shade number 2 and shade number 5. If you want to check, click links are in the description box, and you can also click I button above to watch that video. Before that, if you have not subscribed our channel, just click on the subscription button. It's free of cost, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we upload our new videos. So if you want to see the swatches, keep watching, guys. Here we have 5 shades. 2 of them are in the brown, one is almost white, and other 2 are pretty pink, kind of mauve. So let me quickly swatch it for you all. We'll start with this pinky mauve shade. And trust me guys, these are highly pigmented shades, full of shimmery finish, silvery shimmer. I'm just taking a lot of product to make it visible on camera, but you actually don't need that much amount. So this is that mauve shade, dark mauve shade. Now it's time for light pink one. Yeah, it's looking beautiful. I hope you can see this. Yeah, I'll just give you a little closer look in a while. Just let me swatch it first. This one here is a light brown shade with a slight golden touch. Yeah, and the fourth one here is a champagne kind of shade with a hint of peach in it. It's not exactly peach, but it has a slight touch of peach. Yeah, it just gives that glimpse, Last but not the least, our showstopper, or you can say our white silvery shade, beautiful highlighting shade. And yes guys, I don't prefer using them as a blusher, but trust me, they work wonder on my eyelids. Really, they work wonder. So here we have a pretty mauve shade, beautiful mauve shade, and this is light pink shade. This is a kind of a brown with a hint of golden shimmer, and this is champagne with a hint of peach, and our very beautiful white silvery shade. Now it's time to show our showstopper pieces. Though they are freebies, but it made worth my single penny spent on this package. I'm just too excited to show you this, and so let me quickly swatch it for you. But before that, I just want to show you my applicator. It's a sturdy sponge applicator, which is the first thing I like about it. And though it is in powder form, but it sticks really well, and if you want, you can use extra adhesive for the, if you want some extra adhesion, you can use any kind of glue, just which you can use for glitters and all. You can use that glue as well. So here we have the beautiful, gorgeous, shimmery, highly pigmented brown and pretty light pink shade. Yeah, let's have a closer look. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Here we have beautiful shades from Sivanna. Hope you can see here. So guys, that's all from my side today. This is Swati signing off, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.